Our job is to assess how this nominee's decisions will impact the American people and whether he will protect the legal and constitutional rights of all Americans, not just the wealthy and the powerful.
This is not merely a hearing to consider the confirmation of one Supreme Court justice. No, we are considering the affirmation of our country's values. The Supreme Court does not just interpret our laws. Make no mistake, a Supreme Court vacancy isn't just another position we must fill in our federal judiciary. A Supreme Court vacancy is a solemn obligation we must fulfill for our future generations. Let's treat it as such.
During your time on the 10th Circuit, you have sided with corporations over workers, corporations over consumers, and corporations over women's health.
You know, it's not enough to say in private that the president's attacks on the judiciary are disheartening. I need to know that you understand the role of the courts in protecting the rights of all Americans. I need to know that you can be an independent check and balance on the administration that's nominated you and on any administration that might follow it.
The independence of those judges has never been more threatened and never more important. And a large part of the threat comes from the man who nominated you.
There are some warning flags. February 23rd, White House Chief of Staff Reince Priebus said, and I quote, "Neil Gorsuch represents the type of judge that has the vision of Donald Trump," close quote. I want to hear from you why Mr. Priebus would say that. Make no mistake, when it comes to the treatment of workers, women, victims of discrimination, people of minority religious faith, and our Constitution, most Americans question whether we need a Supreme Court justice with the vision of Donald Trump.